Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove time from date timestamp in Excel. Remove time from date. You can do the following. We will use two different methods. Method 1, format cells to show date only. Select the cells with date plus time, then right-click and go to Format Cells. Choose Date, pick your preferred date format. Now click OK. Method 2, use text function to extract date as text. If you want the date as a string, just follow my steps. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.